Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, getting something went wrong on Google Play Store. Let's fix in fast. See, this is the problem. Google Play Store something went wrong problem. How to fix it? First, open your Google Play Store app and now search here any app. Not working. Not install app. Okay, back and check on your internet connection, Wi-Fi and data. Okay, and third step, go to your phone settings and click on the apps icon and now search here Google Play Store. Click on the Google Play Store and scroll down, then click on the storage option and clear check and clear data, delete the data. Okay, back and allow all permission. Click on the permission option and allow all permission. Contacts, notification, phone, SMS, location, microphone, nearby device, allow all permission. Okay, back and last step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and open your Google Play Store app and search any app. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.